What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play Chasing a Feeling by LÉON, and I'm just going to show you quickly to play on guitar because there's not much to learn in this song, and it's actually the same thing going throughout the whole song. So let's get started. Have a look at the chords for this. Our first chord will be a G major, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. Nice and easy. D major, mute, mute, open, second, third, second. A major, mute, open, second, 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 open. And a B minor, which is a bar chord. If you have a lot of problem playing the bar chord, feel free to drop a comment down below, which is mute, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. So you got your index finger on second fret of the guitar. You got your middle finger on third fret of the B string, and the two fingers on the fourth fret of the D and G. That's the B minor. I may move a bit fast with the chords, but obviously you can just pause away, have a look at the chord shapes, and then move forward. Alright, the chord progression for the song same. So it's G, D, then an A, and you just repeat that. So you got G, D, A. But what you're gonna do is, when you move on to the G major chord, before that you're just gonna play that second fret of the E string, which is a F sharp minor, and no need to play the full chord. You just play like a da-da. It's just like a walking bass over here. We have small walking bass, 2 notes. So whenever you're just gonna play the G major chord, make sure you play second fret of the E string and third fret of the E string, and then down. So I like to do one down for each chord at the beginning with that chord progression going on. And we are playing that 3 times: G, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, A. But after that, next time we actually play the B minor chord instead of that G major, and otherwise everything is actually the same. So B minor, D, A. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Have a look at the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down. Move on to the B minor. Same thing. 2. Down. And this goes on for the whole song. So after playing G, D, A 3 times, you're just gonna play the B minor, and it's actually the same thing. You just replace the G major chord with the B minor. Or then you're just gonna go into the middle of the song. You can just do 2 down on each chord to keep up with the down of the song. So we're just gonna do 2 down on each chord. So we got down, 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 down. So basically, I'm just doing 2 downs on each chord. Down, down. That's it. So let's play. Same chord progression. Make sure you have that F sharp on the top. B minor. Down, 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 down. And that's almost everything you need to learn for this song. So if this video, make sure to drop one of these. Subscribe because I just wanted to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below, hit that bell icon to stay notified, come actually regular with all the songs. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.